Hello. Today we are seeing how to use Microsoft Forms. So let's start.
So first here, go to Microsoft Forms, and then here you can see the home page. Here in the home page, you can see new form, and you can see here new quiz, and you can import one. Here you have some templates. You have a survey, you have a quiz, you have an invitation, you have a registration, and templates gallery. Let's see it. Just wait, and here they are. They are great. Here, let's go back, and here we'll choose to create a new form, and then we'll go to a new quiz. Here you can see the quiz editor. Here, let's title our form. Here I have filled out the information. Here, first, before we start, let's go to style. Here you can choose your style. I don't know what to choose. I'll go choose one of these 3D ones. What's that choose? Some of these, of course, are videos. I will choose. Let me see. This one. No. This is not my theme. Let me choose this one. That is great. Let's close this. And here you also have the settings. Accept options, start date, end dates, time duration, show for questions, disable questions numbers for respondents, get email notification for each response, show our progress bar. I don't know why I cannot do that. Allow responses to save their responses. Allow respondents to edit their response. Yeah. No. Hide submit other response. Oh. Okay, that is great. Here, let's click on Kickstart with. You can choose something. Here I will choose selection and fill it out. And here's it. Next, I'm gonna click on add new question. Let's see. Text. Here we have lots of topics about Windows 10 and how to use it. How to use it. Do you like the topic? And here a question mark. Not long answered, and I want to do that required. Here, let's add again a new question. It's again text. Here I will tell them we also make lots of Windows versions. what windows do you want us to make? Here a question mark again. You can answer the answers. I would do this a long answer, not required. And here I will do here. Let's see. Another text. No. I will delete this. And here add a new question. Rating. Do you like our posts? Post in the community. Sorry. Do you like our posts? That's great. Level 5. Let's choose 7. Symbol, star, number, hearts, ribbon, smiles. Let's do this. I don't want to do this required. Add new question. Selection. Let me choose a new selection. And here, shorts. Here is it. Here let's add a new question and text. We post shorts about tips and tricks in Windows 10, Windows 10. Like to see your, let's see your, I will finish this and you can make yours. Here I am done. Let's see and preview. You can see all of these. Yeah. How do you like our posts? Let's see. Create it. Here is click on mobile. You can see our phone and mobile. Here collect responses. You can copy the link, or you can also send it by Outlook or a QR code. You can scan this or a presentation, I think. And here you can embed it, and you can also post it on Facebook and on X. Here and here in the responses, you can collect them and see them. So here, this is how you use Microsoft Forms.